Okay, this is going to be a demo of what I refer to as send it and sign it type functionality. It's available from virtually any digital signature vendor on the market. Basically what it allows you to do is take a document, drag a couple of signature blocks onto it, send it out to somebody, have them sign it, and then they return it to you. So basically what it does is it eliminates courier costs or distribution costs and brings some immediacy to the transaction. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my desktop and grab some type of a document to do this demo on. This user agreement will do fine for our purposes today. Okay, there's the document image. I'm going to scroll down to where I want the digital signature blocks to be. There they are. Go into the section where my blocks show. I'll drag one signature block up here. I'm actually acting as both a publisher and recipient on this for demo purposes. So I'll use my Outlook email address for the publisher. There we go. Let me adjust this a bit. And now for the recipient, or the customer in this case, I'll use my Gmail address. I'll straighten this up a bit. Now I need to set the signing order, so this is another basic feature of send it and sign it type functionality. You can basically send the document out to recipients in whatever order you'd like to, and that could be as many recipients as you want. So the customer in this case is going to sign first, and then the publisher will sign second. Okay, that's been set up now, so I'm ready to go. I'll hit save and send. This is the email script, so I'll put a subject header, please sign. Let me know if you have any questions. And then click send. Now the document is away. It's gone to the first signatory, or the customer in this case. I'll move this out of the way. If I hit refresh, I should see that document on the dashboard. And then I can show you the workflow. Here you go. Here's the first signature. Sorry, this is the first signatory, the customer, and here's the publisher. Now the publisher's already viewed it, that's me, so I've got a little star up on top of it. The recipient has not viewed it at all yet. So if I go into my Gmail account, my inbox, there is the email, the invitation to review the document and sign. So now remember, I'm the recipient or the customer in this particular example. So I'm opening it up now. There's a document. These yellow arrows will direct me to where I need to sign. There we go. Now I have to authenticate myself. I'm just using simple two-factor authentication. I'll address that in another video. Basically, the first factor is the email address, and the second factor is my password. It basically acts the same as your ATM card at a bank machine. Authenticating myself, and then sign. If I go back to the agreement visualizer and refresh, I should see that this first signatory is signed. And there we go, there's a check mark above it. If I go into my email account, and now I've changed hats once more and I'm the publisher, so I'm the second signatory on this transaction. There's the email invitation to sign. That would not have shown up until after the first signatory had signed. Whoop, there we go. I'll click on the agreement, review the agreement. Basically exactly the same process as for the first signer. Click to sign. Authenticate myself. Save and send. And we are away. Do the same thing. Let's go back to the visualizer just to show what that looks like. And we can see we've got two check marks, which means we now have a completed contract. I can actually click in here and view the audit trail on this particular transaction. But there you go. That's simple. Send it and sign it Technology available from virtually any digital signature vendor on the market. Eliminates distribution costs and shortens time to completion.